one and all, thank you very much for joining me today on another video of the 2020 Toyota Corolla SE. We're going to be changing the cabin filter. I'm going to be demonstrating how to take it out and place a new one back in. Opening up the door. The first thing you need to do is make yourself comfortable. You're going to open up the glove compartment by lifting the handle, allowing it to drop. Anything that's inside you want to take out and place to the side. Located on the right hand side is a shock absorber. We're going to be removing it. Let me show you how to remove it. All you need to do is just lift off of the tab over here by simply pulling and putting back on. Just pull and you're off. Inside over here are tabs. Simply pull to the inside of each one. It takes a little strength. Go to the next one. It takes a little strength and it will come down. Using both hands, you lower the glove compartment. If the glove compartment is in your way, you can simply remove it off of the hinges. You simply just pull them off and they will come off. I am now just going to go work on the filter. Very simple to do. On the filter there are tabs that open and they're located on the sides where I'm pointing. All you need to do is squeeze them. Be very gentle and they will come off. The other one, just slide towards the right, drop down. Located is your filter with an up arrow. You grab the tab, pull out. As you pull out, be careful not to drop anything that's on the top of your filter. This filter is clean. It's been in there since May 25 of 2019. There is a number 3 on the filter, an N behind, and that's the cover. Simply compress the filter, lift up, and you see the arrows pointing up in the filter. You're going to put the filter in the same way with the arrows pointing up, placing back your filter, and in reverse procedure with the 2 sticks you're going to put on the very bottom. These little points are going to go over here on each individual side. So as one side goes in, all you got to do is snap the other side on. It is on. That simple. With a nice firm push up, grabbing the little shock tower and lifting up just a little. You're now going to snap in, close your door, and you're done. You want to put everything that was in here away and pat yourself on the back and you're done. That's how simple it is to do an AC cabin filter for about $15. It's that simple to do a cabin filter. It is not that hard. For $15 you can go to the store on eBay, Amazon, get a replacement OEM filter, put it in there, and change them every fall and spring. And that will be your best thing to do. For us, it doesn't need to be changed until springtime. So on that note, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, everybody.